Hey guys, we had a pretty good day today trading. So yesterday I mentioned that we had this really nice diamond pattern that was formed here, and overall, I personally was bearish. I just still believe with the JPM collar that we're going to see a sell-off. I mean, historically speaking, into JPM collar, so into this Friday, the week of, we usually do see a 2% plus drop. So we're at about 1.63% now, so we're getting close, but we got a little bit more to go, I think. I do think we're going to hit 370. So today, we finally broke out of the pattern. We held resistance here at this 383 area, and we broke through, and we lost 379.2, 379.6 support area, but most importantly, we lost 378 support, and we closed below it. The thing I like about this breakdown today too is that we had a break below it, we popped, and then we broke it below it again. So we actually broke through it twice. I like this better than when we just straight drop through a level. This makes me feel like it was kind of retested before we actually went through it. So this is the first time we have closed below 378 since the day before the November CPI. So almost 2 months now we've been trading over this level. So we actually we have gap filled, and I don't think we have any more gaps to the downside left right now, to be honest. So here's what I'm looking at. So we now have 376.6 as support. With this closure below 378, we could backtest 378.1 tomorrow morning again. I don't really think we will, though. I do suspect we're going to test 374 and maybe even 370.5 support. Key level is really going to be this 380.4 for the resistance. And now that we've broken the channel here, we are in a clear downtrend, and we will just look for this continued trend down here. 370 is our support area, 370.6. If we lose that, then that really does open up a chance to retest 350s into the early beginning of next year. Taking a look over at futures here. So 38.05 is our key level. We're going to close right here about 38.07. Same thing. I mentioned last night the diamond pattern that we had here. We broke down. We held resistance. We rejected for 4 out of the 5 last trading days have hard rejected the daily 8 EMA, and then we finally got our push down. I do expect to get a continuation tomorrow. I will be looking for us to break under 38.05 and test at least 37.50. If it gets real crazy, 36.75 is our next major support area. But this 38.05 level here, as you can see going back, this is a major area that goes back all the way to September. So getting back under this support area here will be a big deal, and there'll be a big bearish omen going into the end of the year. Taking a look at Tesla here. Surprisingly, Tesla actually put in a green day here. So this is the first green day in the last. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red days in a row to finally get a green day. This is also the biggest green day we have had since November 30th. We did have another green day just very similar to this one at 3.23%. Back here on December 9th. I'm actually kind of eyeing a similar pattern here. So I kind of mentioned this pattern last night, but we have a huge drop, and then we have kind of a consolidation, huge drop, consolidation, huge drop, consolidation, huge drop, consolidation. So with this inside day, I am looking for a push down. I still believe our support is going to be 103. Really, we could go down to 97.3, but I don't think we'll go any lower than that. But we could see a breakout here. So actual resistance for this bear channel that we've been in since December 9th is right here at 117.8. So if we did break through that, that actually could open an upside push into the 120s to 130 area. But trend says we are downtrending, and that is where that's where I put where I think we're going to head. But I think we finally got the relief day that we needed. As you see here, we used to have like 1 to 4 relief days before the next leg down. But during this big sell-off here, I mean, it's been pretty much one green day, and then dump. So if this holds true here, we had 1, 2, 3, 3 red days and then a green day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red days and then a green day. So we could be looking at our next major leg down here on Tesla for sure. Taking a look at the VIX here, we had a similar breakout pattern going here actually. And we did close back over the daily 8 and 20 EMA here. So I'm going to be interested to see where the VIX goes tomorrow. The most interesting thing about the VIX here is that the last probably week or two, we have had these just huge openings on the VIX where they're big green, like 5 to 8% openings, and then they're just followed up by massive drops intraday. So this was the first time today that we actually opened pretty much flat. I think we opened at almost 0%. Let's see, we closed at 21.64, opened at 21.47. So yeah, 20% drop at open. And then we just kind of pushed up throughout the day. So this is a nice pattern here. I like to see this. This feels more normal for the VIX and more kind of like we actually are going to see a breakout here. We did bullish in golf also, so a key level to watch is 23.6. That is this green channel to break us out into this gray channel. And also, if you zoom out here, is the current bear channel resistance too. So that's kind of where I'm watching, and we'll kind of see where we go from there. All right, I hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated with my most recent videos. There is a lifetime Discord link there for you guys. If that one doesn't link, just go ahead and send me a message and I'll get you guys a new one. Some of the benefits of the Discord is there's a live trading, live intraday commentary. I also do an updated pre-market with support and resistance levels every day. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit.